Mackenzie Ranger from Side by Side Learning. Today I'm joining a couple other homeschooling families and we're talking about how to homeschool for free or cheap. And I had some really good ideas and I wanted to share them with you guys. Okay, so my number one suggestion is your library. They're an amazing resource. I get so many books from the library, like I regularly have like 100 books out at a time. But we read them all the time and it works really good for us. So if you have your library open, use that. I know some places the library isn't open. So if yours isn't open, then you still want to check out their online resources. There might be ebooks that they have or even audiobooks. So that's a really great resource. Another thing you can do is you can borrow from friends. So if you have any homeschool friends or even just regular friends, you could say, hey, we're learning about sharks. Do you have any shark books that I could borrow? And maybe they do, or maybe they're like, oh, I have an amazing model. You can borrow that. Or maybe it's something else that you can borrow, a puzzle. Maybe they've got some games or fact books. So you can put together unit studies or dive into different subjects through borrowing from your friends. You can get a ton of amazing free printables online. So what you do is just get on Pinterest or Google and just type in what you're looking for. Like maybe you're looking for free multiplication worksheets, so you can look for that. Maybe you want to study frog life cycles, so you can find a lot of amazing free printables like that. The Good and the Beautiful is also an amazing resource when it comes to printables for language arts. They give away their elementary language kits, okay? So their PDF version. You can get that for free. You can print it at your home or you can just do it on a tablet and use like a pencil or have a notebook to write your answers. So you can use that amazing product. The free PDF is the same version that they sell. I know, it's amazing. So go download that. Another thing we use all the time in our home is podcasts. We use them in the car, when we're out in the backyard, when we're cleaning our house. And I've got a bunch of different channels that I subscribe to that help us learn life skills. Some are stories, sometimes they talk about scientific things, history. There are so many options. So podcasts are a great one and you can just carry them in your pocket. So I really like that one. Another thing you can use for free is the TV. So you might have a subscription to Netflix or Amazon Prime or Disney Plus, whatever. There's tons of options on those things, such as like Discovery shows, ABC related TV, science, mystery, history, tons of different things. But for free, you can watch on YouTube, okay? So if you are looking for, let's see, what did we just look up? We were just learning about the Titanic, so I jumped on YouTube and we were looking for clips about the Titanic, and we found ones that were talking about how it was made, the science of why it sunk, the discovery of it. Then we learned a little bit more about history and we watched survivor stories. So we fit in a whole bunch of subjects just based on one search through YouTube. Free, amazing. Another resource is your local area might offer field trips for free for homeschoolers. So you want to jump on Facebook or talk to your homeschooler buddies and see if there are free events around your area. Where I am from in Alberta, right now you can go to the Royal Tyrrell Museum, which is a dinosaur museum, for free this whole year. So you just have to pay for gas. And then voila, a whole day at the museum. So look around, see if you have any of those available. Another thing similar to field trips is there might be community events. So now your community might be having an agriculture fair, maybe there's a powwow, maybe there's some different cultural events that are happening. You can attend most of these and a bunch of them are free. So you can get out in the world and see a whole bunch of things. Homeschooling is one of those things that you can spend as much money as you want, or you can spend as little as you want. We are kind of in the middle. We like our free stuff, but some stuff we'll pay for. So having a bunch of free resources that we can use whenever we need has really helped our homeschool just kind of flow really well, and we don't have to worry about spending a bunch of money for results because there's so many options available completely for free. I know, it's amazing. So this video is a collaboration with a couple other homeschool families. So make sure you watch the playlist that this video is on and follow these other amazing YouTubers. And welcome to Homeschool. I hope you guys have a wonderful year.